Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech World Rock Academy. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer digital rupee from the Axis Mobile Digital Rupee application to your bank account. So let's get started. First, open the Axis Mobile Digital Rupee application and then tap on the redeem option. You will now see your digital rupee balance. If you want to redeem the full amount, tap on redeem all. Alternatively, you can manually select the amount by swiping up. For the demonstration, I will redeem the full amount. Just tap on redeem all and then select bank account. After selecting the bank account, tap on confirm button. A confirmation screen will appear displaying that the total amount to be redeemed. Just review it carefully and then tap on this redeem digital rupee button. Then enter your valid PIN and then tap submit. Within few seconds, you will see a confirmation message on your phone indicating that the amount has been credited to your bank account. So that's it guys, that's how you can send money from Axis Mobile Digital Rupee application to your bank account. So thank you so much.